Hello everyone, I'm Suvajit and I will be taking over my backend engineering task for Eterna. The problem statement was to build an order execution engine that processes one type of order, either market, limit, or sniper, along with DEX routing between two decentralized exchange pools and live WebSocket updates. Uh, we were given a particular tech stack that is Node.js plus TypeScript with Fastify for WebSocket and HTTP requests, WoolMQ along with build over Redis for our order queue and PostgreSQL for order history. And we were also given a choice between implementing real DevNet execution and mock implementation. I have implemented both as I will be demonstrating now. So here's my README, which goes over all my architecture decisions. So basically, I'll take you over the file system as well. Under source adapters, I have adapters for the Meteora and Radium uh, DEX pools, and there are mock adapters as well as actual DevNet adapters. Under API, I have routes, where basically this is the schema for the DB. This is the WebSocket manager. This is the migration for the DBs. This is for Redis updates. Dex router is for smart routing between my two pools, and I have a logger util, a Solana connection util, and a query validation util here. And the workers, execution worker and queue are basically implementing the bool and queue. Here I have a set of uh, end-to-end integration and unit tests, which test my mock implementation. I'll be running that. So my dev server is already running, and basically the PostgreSQL and Redis are also running. They are Docker Compose Docker instances basically. Uh, so let me run my tests, unit tests for the mock implementation. We can see that we are sequentially checking every interface, every uh, subsystem in my repo, as well as final end-to-end checks. And as you can see that all the test cases have passed, not test cases, the unit and integration tests have passed. I will now also demonstrate that the live market exchanging is working. Wait. So this is my current balance on my Solana DevNet account, and let me put in a query call. So as you can see, my server is currently processing the query, and the logs say that the worker is processing the order. Then the router is seeing that the Meteora quote has failed, and it is then implementing the Radium adapter for the Radium quote. It says that the transaction is successful. We can also validate this by going on to SoulScan. So I'll just replace this old transaction hash and look up this new one. As you can see, the transaction is a success, and this is basically my address. We have a deduction of this much amount of sols, which we can also validate over here by checking my balance again. Yeah, we can see that the balance has decreased. So here I've proved that the end-to-end execution of the DEX routing is also working properly. Thank you.